Good evening viewers, this is Shaukat Khan YouTube channel, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about the prevention of infectious disease. Viewers, previously I uploaded the videos about infection disease. It was part 1, part 2 and part 3, so this is the part 4, and in this video we will discuss how to prevent the infectious disease. So let us see on the board. There is some points to prevent the infection. So let us see on the board. So number 1 is hygiene. Hygiene is hands hygiene, body hygiene, surface and home hygiene. Number 2 is immunization. And number 3, stay at home if you are feeling not well. Number 4, cover cough and sneezing. Number 5, prepare hygienic food. And number 6, practice safe sex. So this is 6 steps we have. So we cannot stop the infection, but we can minimize the infection to follow these steps. So let us see one by one. So first of all is the hygiene. Here's this hygiene is a main instrument to eradicate this disease, infection disease, due to clean our atmosphere, clean our house, and clean our body and clean our hand. So first of all we have to wash the hand thoroughly with the soap, and second one, our body should be clean, and third one, our atmosphere or our room or our rooms, all the surfaces of the room, and third one is the house. So this all areas need to be clean and need to be hygiene every day, so we can minimize the infection. So and although if there is on the workplace also we have to keep the neat and clean our area, so we will be get the less infection. And number 2 is immunization. Immunization is what is mean of immunization, that we have to immunize our body with the vaccine. So vaccination is very important in our life, because there is so many disease which is appearing with the time, but because of vaccine it will be not so hard, it will be not so severe, so we can control the disease. And this vaccine, it's immunize our system, so it is improving our immune system, so we will not get so sick, as without vaccine we will get the more sick. And number 3 is stay at home if you are feeling not well. This is very important, that some people have a sick, or they have some problem, fever or temperature or something like that, so they have to stay at home to save themselves and save the other peoples. Otherwise, if they will go out of the house and they will go here and there, so they can infect the other people. So in that case, and they can get the infection from other people to there, because their immune system will be the low due to sickness, and in that case we have to stay at home. And number 4 is cover cough and sneezing. This is very important, that if we are coughing or sneezing because of when we are sick, especially in the flu or coughing, so in that case we have to, first of all, when we are coughing, we have to put our hand on the face to cover the face, and after that, if you need to clean, should not clean with the hand, it should be clean with the, you can use the elbow like this. So because this elbow, again, you will not get on the face, so if there is any infection or something like that, any organisms are there, so it will go by itself, but it will not go in the mouth again. So this is the secret of use the elbow when you are coughing or sneezing. And number 4, prepare hygienic food. This is very important matter, that the food is very important, should be the hygienic food, otherwise we will get so many organisms, so many bacteria in the food, and in that case we will get the sick. And this is another thing, that we have to prepare our food to the hygienic atmosphere, and we will not get any contamination in our food, so there will be the less infection will be there. And number 6 is practice safe sex. This is very important, because the sex, many people are there doing the sex, and they don't have the knowledge what kind of disease they will get from the sexual intercourse. So this is very important. People should take care about these things, and because with this sex, first of all, we are the disease name is AIDS, HIV/AIDS. This is a very dangerous disease which is transmitted with the sex. And other one is the gonorrhea. Gonorrhea also, this is another severe infection in the urethral area. So in this both diseases is very dangerous. So as we know that we have to do the safe sex, and we have to be limited with our life partner only, and then we can control our infection. So this is the 6th point. This is very simple. There is no any rocket science to control the infection, but if we will follow these 6 steps, so we can minimize the infection. So I hope you understand, you got some knowledge from this video, and if you like this video, so subscribe this video, and share this video to the others, and like this video, and inshallah on the next video we will see again with another topic. That topic will be about the medicine, about the antibiotic and antiviral medicine. So inshallah we'll see you very soon again. Thank you very much.